Check, 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 check. Do you know what happens when you design your whole presentation and you have no slide advancer? The whole thing is based on a slide advancer working. Okay, if I talk and I don't move, that necklace, oh no. Ooh. Just teach already. Okay. Just teach already. I'm so not in the mode. You know what the great thing is though, when you're teaching to a class, you can't, it doesn't matter because you just got to do it because they're looking at you. They're just looking at me. I could just leave this room. I could just leave and say, nope, I'm doing it later. But I have to do this now. These cells shown in plates are surrounded by oxygen-rich blood and, oh, where's that picture? Just kidding, back one. Eek. It's important to first understand that the liver receives a unique distribution of The liver is uniquely positioned with respect to vasculature. The liver receives oxygen-rich blood from the systemic circulation